Hey Bill, this is just a quick overview of what's going on with the door. As you can see, this is it with the deadbolt not locked, and this is what I discovered when I went to go open it. It's locked, as you can see, and it is just opening now. Okay, here's the other piece. Okay, so this thing here is some sort of contraption that was made. I'm not sure exactly how this is attached, but there's a nail here, there's a screw here, and this piece is just kind of hanging freely. If you move up, this looks like it's the original wood. This definitely is something else. It looks like it was like shimmied, or there's like I don't know, I don't know what to call that, like a shim or something like that. But this definitely should not be happening, and this definitely should not be happening. So when you go to close the door, okay, it is definitely in the locked position. This is unlocked, okay, so that's normal. But now it's locked. And we have no lockage at all. So, and before it was kind of hanging on, but now it's just nothing. But like I said, as you can see, the deadbolt still works. But this is not working. So that's all. But like I said, the deadbolt works for now. So just try and help us out as soon as you can. Alright, thanks, man. Bye bye.